Hi campers, Brian Carmichael with RVMP. Today we're at our Elkhart, Indiana facilities and excited to introduce this new product to our lineup, the dual fuel Flex Power 2800i. This compact design weighs less than 100 pounds. It's showing the cradle mount for permanent mount installation, also used in truck campers alike. Inside, you'll see that we have the same size displacement engine as our 4000, giving us plenty of power in these types of applications. It's dual fuel like all of our generators. So here we have the ability to switch between gasoline and LP. We've got our push button on-off start. It can also be hardwired to a remote start inside the coach. We've got a gasoline primer. Even though the unit automatically primes in its starting sequence, reset button. Like all of our models, we've added the recoil start located here, so that if you have low battery, you have the ability to start your generator, power everything up, recharge the batteries. On the exhaust side, we can port out to the side of this generator depending on the mounting application, or it can exhaust down. We're really excited to be bringing this product to the market along with several other new innovations. Give us a call at 855-HAPPY-RV, or you can find us at rvmp.co. Thanks again and happy camping.